It's time for the match number 41 of this year's Indian Premier League. It's Delhi Capitals versus Kolkata Knight Riders. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kolkata Knight Riders are set to lock horns with Delhi Capitals in match number 41 of the 2021 Indian Premier League on Tuesday, September 28 at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. The Kolkata Knight Riders started the UAE League with 2 wins on the trot but lost to the Chennai Super Kings by 2 wickets on Sunday. In this video, you will get the team comparison, players' recent form, team news, live telecast and live streaming, both teams playing 11, match details, pitch report, weather report, head-to-head states and match prediction about the 41th match of Indian Premier League between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Delhi Capitals starting on 28 September. Let's start! The 41st match of Vivo IPL 2021 between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Delhi Capitals will be played at Sharjah Cricket Stadium in Sharjah at 3:30 pm Indian time and 2 pm local time. KKR team tentative playing 11 for 41st match of IPL. Shubman Gill, Venkatesh Iyer, Rahul Tripathi, Shakib Al Hasan, Nitish Rana, Captain Eoin Morgan, wicketkeeper Dinesh Karthik, Sunil Narine, Lockie Ferguson, Prasidh Krishna and Varun Chakravarthi. DC team tentative playing 11 for 41st match of IPL. Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, captain and wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant, Lalit Yadav, Shimron Hetmeyer, Akshar Patel, Ravichandran Ashwin, Kagishore Rawata, Enric Nokia and Avesh Khan. The 41st match of Vivo IPL between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Delhi Capitals will be played at Sharjah Cricket Ground, Sharjah. Head-to-head states. Overall, total 27 matches have been played between Kolkata and Delhi, out of which Kolkata have won 14 matches and Delhi Capitals have won 12 matches. Stadium states. In the Sharjah Cricket Stadium, total 58 T20I matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 20 matches and the batting second team have won 37 matches. One match was tied. In this stadium, the highest team score is 228 for 4 wickets by Delhi Capitals only and the lowest team score is 82 all out by Islamabad United. The average first inning score in the stadium is 178 runs and the average second inning score in the stadium is 163 runs. Venue details and history. These are all the history and details of Sharjah Cricket Ground, Sharjah. Batsman performance for Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2021. For Kolkata Knight Riders, Shubman Gill have scored 202 runs with strike rate of 126.25. Venkatesh Iyer have scored 112 runs with a strike rate of 155.55. Rahul Tripathi have scored 306 runs with strike rate of 143. Eoin Morgan have scored 107 runs with strike rate of 102.88. Nitish Rana have scored 243 runs with 125.90 strike rate. Andhra Russell have scored 183 runs with 152.50 strike rate. Dinesh Karthik have scored 149 runs with 149.00 strike rate and Sunil Narine have scored 10 runs with 62.50 strike rate. Batsman performance for Delhi Capitals in IPL 2021. For Delhi Capitals, Shikhar Dhawan have scored 430 runs with 131.09 strike rate. Prithvi Shaw has scored 329 runs with 160.48 strike rate. Shreyas Iyer have scored 90 runs with 123.28 strike rate. Rishabh Pant have scored 272 runs with 131.40 strike rate. Shimron Hetmeyer has scored 112 runs with 196.49 strike rate. Sam Billings have not played till yet. Akshar Patel have scored 12 runs with 171.42 strike rate and Ravichandran Ashwin have scored 13 runs with 130 strike rate. Bowling performance for Kolkata Knight Riders in IPL 2021. For Kolkata Knight Riders, Prasidh Krishna have taken 12 wickets with an economy run rate of 9.11. Andre Russell have taken 11 wickets with 9.89 economy run rate. Lockie Ferguson have taken 5 wickets. Varun Chakravarthi have taken 11 wickets with economy of 6.90. Sunil Narine have taken 7 wickets with 6.89. And Nitish Rana have taken 0 wickets with 5 economy and Venkatesh Iyer have taken 0 wicket with 5 economy. Bowlers performance for Delhi Capitals in IPL 2021. For Delhi Capitals, Aviz Khan have taken 12 wickets with 7.55 economy run rate. Kishore Rabada have taken 12 wickets with 8.55 economy run rate. Anrit Nokia have taken 4 wickets with 3.75 economy run rate. Ravichandran Ashwin have taken 2 wickets with 7.31 economy run rate, and Akshar Patel have taken 9 wickets with 6.86 economy. Team's recent form. In the last 5 matches, Kolkata Knight Riders have won 3 matches and lost 2 matches. They are currently in 4th position. For Delhi Capitals, they have won 4 matches and lost only 1 match. They are currently at 2nd position. Kolkata Knight Riders team news. The team news from Kolkata Knight Riders is that Andre Russell injured himself in the second innings against CSK and is doubtful for the fixture. Delhi Capitals team news. The team news from Delhi Capitals is that the franchisee did the unusual in the last game against Rajasthan Royals by fielding only 3 overseas players. Marcus Stoinis was swapped with Lalit Yadav. If Stoinis is fit, he will come back straight away. Pitch report. As per recent matches, Sharjah cricket ground is good pitch for batting. Spinners will be effective here and fast bowlers will be effective in first 6 overs. Weather report. The temperature is expected to hover around 36 degrees on the match day with 52% humidity and 21 km per hour wind speed. There are no chances of rain during the game. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between Kolkata Knight Riders versus Delhi Capitals will be played at 3 p.m. Indian time, and the playing time will start at 3:30 p.m. Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. You can watch the live match of Kolkata Knight Riders versus Delhi Capitals at All Star Sports Network. For online, you can watch it in Disney Plus Hotstar. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is Kolkata Knight Riders will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.